All right, guys, I got a couple of messages about the group collaborative activity. Sounds like for most of you, and for me as well, this is a new feature on Canvas. So I'm just going to do another short video to show you how one group is approaching it. So our collaborative group number one has already got started on their slides. So to get to that group, I'm going to click on People. Then I'm going to go to Collaborative Groups. And then I'm going to click on Collaborative Group 1. And my guess is you guys, and I'll go to Visit Group Page. I'm guessing for you guys, you will only see your own group. Now, key feature right here, once you're in your group, is your group then has its own homepage, its own announcements, pages that you guys can make, people, so this is how you could communicate with each other via email, discussions, you can upload files to share with each other, you can set up conferences, or collaborations. This is all stuff that you guys can do just within your own group. So for our purposes today, we're just going to focus on discussions. So group number one, Andrew Rhyme did an amazing job getting the group kicked off with this discussion. Basically created a screenshot of their text from the slideshow, a breakdown of the questions, and some of the assignment specifics. And then we've got Rebecca and Jennifer already jumping in and responding to Andrew. So I would recommend all groups do the same thing. If you don't see someone kicking off a discussion in your collaborative group by the end of today or so, then I would take the lead. You could take the lead in starting the discussion, or you can even set up like an email string. Finally, one more thing that Andrew did that's really helpful is he went ahead and created the Google Slides and included the link here. So I can click on this link. It's shared with me. If I actually wanted to contribute and start adding to this presentation, I could click on the presentation and start collaborating. One final note that I want to make is, go back here, this group, they've already started kind of dividing the questions up, and each is going to take one. I wouldn't do that. I would recommend finding a way, either through email or maybe like one live Zoom, or just on the discussions. Actually, just here on the discussions would be a great place. So everyone can contribute to answering the question. So you have a chance to actually think about each of the questions and not just the single one that you've been like assigned by your group. Okay, so hopefully that helps you get started on these group collaborations. This first week, everything's new. We're all going to be figuring out together, and definitely email me if you have any questions.